Hello students, today we are going to learn founder of Scouting and Scouting for Boys, history of the Scout movement in India. Let's see the founder of Scouting. Scouting was the idea of Robert Stephenson Smith Baden Powell. He was born in London on February 22nd, 1857. As a small boy, Baden-Powell enjoyed going camping, hiking, and sailing with his brothers. He spent most of his holidays living in the open, learning to pitch tents, cooking on campfires, or hiking with only a map and compass to guide him across the countryside. This interest in the open air helped him gain such high marks in the army examination when he left school that he was made an officer at once as an English army officer. He accepted a chance to come to India as a lieutenant to join the famous Guide Regiment of India. Let hero of mapmaking in 1899, Baden-Powell became famous and the hero of every boy. It was the year he led the defense of a small South African town called Mafeking against the overwhelming number of the Boers for 217 days until a British relief force reached him. Then boy discovered the fun of scouting. Before going to South Africa, Baden-Powell wrote a book for soldiers about scouting called Aids to Scouting. When he returned to England, he was surprised to find that young boys had discovered the fun of scouting and were using the book to teach themselves woodcraft and observation. To help them, Baden-Powell decided to rewrite Aids to Scouting as a guide for boys. Now we'll see the Scouting for Boys. To test his idea for the new book, Baden-Powell ran a 12-day camp in the summer of 1907 on Brownsea Island in Poole Harbour, Dorset. About 20 boys from different social environments went to the camp. The boys were divided into 4 patrols and called themselves wolves, curlews, bulls, and ravens. Early in 1908, Baden-Powell's new book, Scouting for Boys, was ready. Boys all over Britain brought it, ganged up in patrols and called themselves Boy Scouts and began putting into practice the suggestions given in the book. By 1909, there were so many of these scouts that King Edward VII advised Baden-Powell to resign from the army and devote his life to leading them. Scouting quickly spread to other countries of the world. Today, there are 12 million scouts in over 100 countries of the world. But in every country, they have the same aims, promise, and laws. Now we'll see the history of the Scout movement in India. In 1909, the Scout movement was introduced in India by Captain T.H. Baker. At first, the movement was open to Anglo-Indian and European boys only, but in 1916, Dr. Annie Besant, assisted by Dr. G.S. Arundale, started the Indian Boy Scout Association in South India. And in 1917, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya and Pandit Hridaynath Kunjru, assisted by Pandit Sher Bajpai, started the Seva Samiti Scout Association in North India. In 1921, Baden-Powell paid his first visit to India. In 1932, the Indian Boy Scout Association and the Boy Scout Association were amalgamated.